Welcome to Waterfall Cottage. I'm Cherie, and that's Tommy. And today we might be gardening, remodeling, cooking, canning, or tending to our chickens. Stick around and see what we are up to today. Hey y'all. So to make this perfectly clear, this is a completely unsponsored video. This company did not send me anything for free. They did not pay me to do this review. I'm just doing it on my own because I know some of you guys are probably suffering as bad as we are with these awful, awful mosquitoes. You can't come out here to garden without the mosquitoes just swarming you right now. It's never been this bad here. Granted, we just did have a lot of rain and flooding. We had 20 inches of rain, and that has led them to just take over my yard. So the product are these Spartan Mosquito Pro Tech tubes. I got 2 of these in one box for $25. They also sell them on Amazon, I saw. And basically it comes, got a powder in here. You take this lid off, you fill it with warm water up to this line, and then you put the cap back on and shake it to mix it up. And then you take this cap off, put the little black cap on, and then here's the little hanger that goes on the little cap like that. So I've already hung one up, and now I'm going to fill this one with water and get this one hung up. I'm going to wait about a week and let you guys know at the end of that week how well these have performed in my yard, because I hate spending money. And you know, I hate for you guys to waste money. I hate spending money. That didn't make sense. I hate wasting money, and so do y'all. So anyway, I'm gonna get this filled, get this hung, and I will be back in a week to let y'all know what I think of this product. I've got one hung right here on this tree, which as you can see is the perimeter of my property, and then I have another one hung way in that back corner back there. Now, just to clarify, these are not mosquito traps. They will attract the mosquito. The mosquito will go down through the cap, drink some of that liquid, and then they will go off and die. So don't be surprised if you open the tube and there's no dead mosquitoes in there, because it's not a mosquito trap. I do want to clarify that, because other reviews were bashing the product because they said that there were no dead mosquitoes in there, and there's not supposed to be. So let's come back in a week and we will discuss more of this product, how it works and how well it works. Well, it's been a week and I really wanted this product to work. I really want to get rid of the mosquito problem, but here, let me show you what's inside here. So if you can see, that's a bunch of ants. It attracts ants. I'll hang it back up. So if you're looking for a product that attracts ants, then I guess these Spartan tubes are for you. But I haven't seen them attract any mosquitoes. My mosquito problem is just as bad as it was before I started. Now, they do tell you you need 4 tubes for an acre. So I don't really see why I would need more than 2 for my quarter acre. I have mosquitoes flying around me as we speak. And like I said, I really wanted to like this product, but I think there are other products out there that would probably work better, or just stick to, you know, off or something like that. Like I said, mosquitoes are still flying in my face, because this product, while it seems to promise a lot, it does not deliver. So I would personally just not bother spending the $25 on the 2 tubes. And I'm always going to be honest in my reviews, and that's my honest review. So thank you guys for watching. If you know something that gets rid of mosquitoes, let me know. I know I grow plants that supposedly help with mosquitoes, you know, but I'm in Zone 9B, Texas, the humid Gulf Coast, and sometimes mosquitoes are a problem. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video.